Step number 1, come on to this website. Step number 2, connect this website. Step number 3, start collecting your money after watching some videos. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can earn money just by watching videos online. Guys, this is gonna be free PayPal money, and this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into app number 1. App number 1. So at app number 1, we have Price DR. Now guys, a Price DR is basically a website that is going to allow you to earn free gift cards and rewards by completing daily activities that you already do. So what I mean by that is basically that you all watch videos, you all download applications, you all do surveys one way or another, basically in the form of small questions and answers that most applications just put in front of you to like answer. So like we all do these things, but we are never paid for them. Basically, we are doing them for absolutely free. You are made to watch ads at the start of YouTube videos. That is not fair. So this website makes everything fair for you guys. So basically, you can watch video advertisements, do surveys, participate in daily giveaways, and do offer walls to earn yourself a PayPal money. Literally. So over here, we can see that advertisers want you to be rewarded for learning about their free services and goods. And advertisers will pay you to check out their videos, and brands are also interested in understanding their customers and improving their products through paid surveys. Now guys, paid surveys are a very essential part of any business because every single business wants to know how their product is and what they can improve on their product, and surveys are a very good way of doing that. So guys, like that is how it all works. So after that, even if you live in a country with fewer surveys, you may win free bonuses and gifts, and I think that that is absolutely brilliant because obviously everybody likes free surveys. So over here we even have some more testimonials for you guys. So over here we can see that one person is saying Price DR is the best site out there. They are the only ones that deliver and I do not have to pay a single dime. Guys, that is the whole purpose. You guys don't have to invest anything. The purpose of this video is to make sure that you guys get started making money online without any investment whatsoever. And also we have another person saying that usually don't trust these kind of websites, but give Price DR a shot, and oh how very impressed I am. We'll be here more often to grab more shoes from Nike. So guys, that person is saying that he just won a Nike gift card and now he's gonna buy himself Nike shoes. Guys, I'm not trying to over exaggerate this situation. Like literally this works. And people are making money with this because you can literally be waiting in line for a Starbucks and like you can do this and make money. So over here we can even see like the type of rewards that are present on this platform. So we have PayPal gift cards, we have Amazon gift cards, Roblox cards, Steam cards, Google Play cards, and even Spotify cards as well. So essentially you can grab yourself a free Spotify membership for a couple of months using this website, and honestly like grabbing Netflix is a piece of cake. And similarly we have a lot of different services. Like if you're hungry, grab yourself an Uber Eats gift card. If you want to like play some games, grab yourself some League of Legends points. Or if you want to play some big titles, well then simply grab your PlayStation or Xbox gift card. So essentially the potential is quite literally endless. Now to get started, you simply put your email address over here. And now I'm going to catch you guys in step number 2 once I sign in myself. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you've signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here we have some offers right in front of us. Then we have some surveys. Then we have some more ways to earn points. So for the offers, you can like simply try out these offers, and there are different categories in these offers as well. Like some are hot offers, some are easy offers, some are fun offers, and some are fast offers. So I'm gonna choose top offers because top offers usually pay the best, so that's why I chose top offers. So now we have these surveys in front of us, but firstly select your device. So simply click on save devices, and then from over here simply like start to do these surveys one by one. Simply tap on this link over here and that is gonna start the survey or like take you to the survey. So like you can do all of these surveys and earn quite a lot of points, basically like thousands of points every single day, and that is essentially hundreds of dollars in the span of a month. Similarly, if I come back, I can see that there are like other offers as well. So like once you complete a particular category, you can jump on to the next one and like start making money with that. So all in all, absolutely amazing way to earn money, and that is pretty much the whole way to earn money with this website. So like this was app number 1, and now we're gonna jump into app number 2 to really expand upon this whole idea of making money through watching videos. App number 2. So at app number 2, we have wintub.com. Now guys, wintub.com is solely focused on watching videos. Now unlike PriceDR, which has other ways to like make money as well, you can quite literally just watch videos and make money. So in watching video, you will be presented with commercial ads, movies and TV shows online, and you will have to just simply watch them. And they also have a referral program. Basically, you will get $1 whenever your friend earns $5, and as the money flows in, you can transfer it to your bank account, PayPal account, and many more options. Similarly, they have even more partners as well. So like all in all, this is great to start with. And now to get started, you simply click on the top right corner where it says sign up. You sign in, and then similar to PriceDR, you just simply like tap a button, you watch a video, and then you collect your points and then cash out in the form of PayPal. So guys, this wraps up our video, and I hope that this video like really gave you an in-depth review as to how you can make money online by just simply like doing surveys, watching videos. And yeah, so like to watch videos over here, just simply like try out all these categories. They have hundreds of videos present in these categories. So yeah, you don't have to worry about anything. These methods are 100% legit. But still, if you face any problems, just let me know in the comments down below. I will be sure to address them all as well. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I have to say for now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna be catching you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.